this is Malin. Welcome to my channel. This is the video series about online business training and lesson 3, which is about the secret to success. And regardless of the motivation, goals, commitment, the hard work that you put in, you won't be successful until you pass the me-centric attitude, which is about making money, wanting to provide for yourself and your family, and doing all the stuff for you. And getting into the attitude of service, being of service, being of value to people out there, to your marketplace. That's what's going to make you stand out. And I was very me-centric in the beginning as well. So I was, in this to make money, basically. And not until I got past that and into really finding out how I can provide value to the world out there. Not until I did that, not until I started to really be of service to my students, did I also find the fulfillment within myself. So in order to be successful online, get past your me-centric attitude, get into the being of service and value to others, and then you're gonna attract your customers, your customer avatar, and you're gonna eventually attract the money. All the best. Talk soon.